Code for Earth is collaborative.
Can be described with a lot of coding, novel, fun, and interesting.
For me, Code for Earth is mostly teamwork.
It's really nice. You get a lot of feedback and support.
Code for Earth is innovative, welcoming, fantastic.
Challenging, I think also fun.
Learning, innovative projects.
Code for Earth is open earth science.
Fun, challenging, networking.
Getting to know people.
It is innovation, teamwork, and coding.
I would say massively accelerated learning and innovation.
Inspiring and also challenging.
You say one more now?
Okay, collaboration.
For Earth is fun,
Technological and innovative.
Great experience, I would do it again.